Hey, what's up everybody? It's Mike from Cornfield Customs, and I know it's been a while since my last video, but I'm gonna do a little video later on that kind of explains where I've been and what I've been up to. But on this episode, I think it's about time we get the Shelby Daytona out of the office, because it's been in here almost 2 years. So let's get this thing out, cleaned up, and back on the road. But first, I gotta move some stuff around the shop, so stick around. So the biggest thing with getting the Daytona out is I can't really get it to fit through the front door. It's about 4 inches too wide. So what I have to do is get it all the way through the shop, which is a problem because we've got lots of stuff in the way. So it'll have to come out, make a turn, and go through these side doors here. So I have to get all of this stuff moved and cleaned up, that way the car can come out. So I'm gonna get after it, get this stuff moved, get the car out, and it's gonna be awesome to have this thing back on the road after 2 years of hiding in my office. All right, now that the car is out of the shop, all washed up, I put it back in the shop here behind me, and I'm waiting on the powder coat shop to get done with ceramic coating the exhaust pipes. So as soon as that comes in, we're gonna throw that on, get it back out, and we're gonna take it for a road test and make sure that nothing has changed in the past 2 years while it sat in the shop, make sure everything still works good, everything feels tight, and then it will be ready for the summer driving season. So stick around as we throw the exhaust back on. All right, so it's a new day. I got the exhaust back from the powder coater last night, and it's done in white ceramic. So to get that installed, the first thing I need to do is pop the hood up, tilt everything up, and I can get access in, get the exhaust slid on. So that's what I'm gonna do. So putting the exhaust on is pretty simple. It slips up onto the headers or collectors here, and then it's got a single bolt at the back that just helps keep everything from moving around. What holds the slip joint together is it just has springs. So we'll slip this together and make sure that that stud lines up. So that's slid on loosely, and then what I'll do is I'll take our exhaust springs here and I will start putting them on, and it'll help pull everything the rest of the way up into place. Then I will put our nut on the back bracket. Kind of push it into place. And tighten it up. So now with the passenger side on, I'm just going to come and make sure to wipe off any handprints, because the ceramic coating is not completely cured until it gets hot from running the exhaust for a while. So I want to get all the thumbprints, fingerprints, that way it doesn't have a chance to burn that smudge onto the white ceramic. So I want to get all of that dirt and handprints off of it from the install. So with that done, now we'll go over to the other side, install the second set of pipes, and this is ready to hit the road. So the same thing we did on the passenger side. We're going to get our first pipe lined up a little bit and make sure we get up on our rear mount stud. Then we will repeat the process of putting our springs on. And then I'll put our rear nut on. All right, and both sides are installed, so let's fire it up and hear how it sounds. right, so the test driving went really well. Oil temp was good, oil pressure was good, cooling was good, brakes felt good, tires felt good. Nothing was out of the norm, no extra noises. Everything worked as it should, so it was a good road test just around the block. I beat on it a little bit just to make sure that everything felt good. It runs great, so everything is ready for this season of road driving, and I'm super pumped to have it out of the office after 2 years of not driving it. So keep your eyes out for it on the road. I may take it on a road trip. It is also for sale, so you never know what's going to happen with it. But I want to thank you guys so much for checking out this video, and I'm really hoping to get back to putting out more regular content. I can't guarantee it'll be every week, but I am going to try to do a video or two a month to kind of get back into the swing of things. So thank you guys so much for checking out this video, all the continued support, and we will catch you guys on the next one.